Box number 19, status, basketball for Jestin. Yeah, Kenny, do me a favor. Click the GBs tab. Let me just show Kenny real fast on the live feed. Kenny, follow these steps. Go to the GBs tab. Right? Click this. And then read that right there. If you want to send direct PayPal, Kenny, just click here. It will bring up my PayPal where you can just enter the amount you're supposed to send. If you want to pay with credit card, just do step number 2. I've been telling people for the last 3 days, and I actually wrote it all out in the group break, what to do. But yeah, shopping cart has issues, Kenny. I was just explaining that. And people have to do it that way. Oh, no problem, Kenny. It's not your fault. Website has cart checkout issues on tokens. But yeah, if you go to that group break, just get your total from your cart and then send it. If you got PayPal, just send it direct PayPal, and in the notes write what you're sending for. If you want to use a card, just shoot me an email with your phone number and I'll call you after this break. I can run it. I have a tablet I can run it on manually. Sorry about that, Kenny. Alright, here we go. It's status basketball. First hit is Justin Patton, numbered to 99. Draft night hat. Chunk of his hat from draft night. Insert of Cavs, Tony Bradley, Manu Ginobili. Bunch of Spur dudes, although Kawhi's gone. Malik Monk. Donovan Mitchell rookie. Kevin Garnett. Frank Jackson rookie. Bunch of Heat dudes. Harry Giles. Wesley Owundu. Hakeem Olajuwon. Justin Jackson. Tyler Dorsey. Zach Collins, numbered to 199. Derek White. Tony Bradley. That one's numbered to 75. Gordon Hayward. Josh Hart. Kobe Bryant. Luke Kennard. Kyle Kuzma. Triple Pistons. Bam Adebayo. Tyler Lydon. That one's not numbered. Jordan Bell's numbered to 299, and Kyle Kuzma is a rookie. Number 1 and number 4. What's up, Roxy John? How's it going, man? I don't believe we hit an autograph from this case yet, Justin, so you have a shot. You have a decent shot. Yeah, it's status, Justin. I'd say 98% of the boxes are like that one. Hits that went from $90 to $40 or something. Let's see what we get in this. We have Dragan Bender, Buddy Hield. Okay, they're going to go every which way. Pascal Siakam, That is Dario Saric. Infinite. There's another Astro. That's Greg Monroe. Then you have LeBron James. That version is not saying what it is. Paul Zipser. Rookie Revolution. Georgios Papagiannis. Number 200. Tyler Eulis. Jakob Pertl. Astro Torian Prince. That's a fractal. I get the Galactics and the fractals confused, but the Galactic has the fleur-de-lis. Anthony Davis and Pistol Pete. Pascal Siakam and base. Oh, no autograph in that. You got one numbered card. See if we get one in here. I don't even think we hit a Ben Simmons from this case. I could be wrong on that part, though. If you don't get an autograph in here, you're guaranteed 2 in Star Wars. I think these only guarantee, what, 1 or 2 per case? 1 or 2. The rest are all inserts. Let's see what we get. That one's Georges Niang, Timote. I don't know why they put cards up and down. Timote Luwawu Cabarrot. Georges Niang again. You got those dudes twice. Brooke Lopez Astro and Karl Malone. Going every which way. Timote again. Oh, you got a nice LeBron numbered. It's probably better than some of the autographs. 50 of 75. LeBron blue. Damian Jones. Damian Lillard. Back-to-back Damians. Georges Niang. Yeah, that's a fractal. Jake Lehman. Astro is Hassan Whiteside, Russell Westbrook. All those are upside down. Plumlee, Harden, and base. Well, there's only 3 Revolution left. If you want to try another one, there is a chance, a better chance at an autograph. I think there's at least 1 in those cases, right? We haven't received one yet. Not from that case. Somebody opened 3 or 4 and they didn't get one. Lucky 13 is Sand Trooper Checkpoint. It's numbered to 36. Who is that? That's C3PO? What's that blue thing that keeps moving on the screen? It's like it's actually in the Star Wars card. Anyway, Rogue One. What's his name again? Anthony Daniels. I'll see Andy, you're right. Anthony Daniels, that's him. C3PO. Anthony Daniels. And General Maximilian Veers. That one's numbered to 31.
nothing I'd ever heard of. You know, it's just, I don't know, that word.
That's it. Yeah, Justin, if you want those last 3, don't send any shipping. Just send over.
He was home on it was Monday afternoon.
Oh, it's Anthony Forrest.
I went to change his diaper and actually just, I found some blood where he was, you know, in his diaper.
Ah,
You know, this is scary.
this guy.
Off to the emergency room.
Anthony Forrest. Run, Forrest. Run. Thanks, buddy.